Bring her to this side. Come to this side. Wait until she reaches out. Wait!
I find that I like your face still. You're cute.
Thanks.
But I don't like your body overall still.
That's alright.
Kinda look like my mother.
She
Mother-
look good then.
No, she not shape good.
Oh my gosh!
Mother not shape good.
You're
shape.
outsider. You do too much.
I just mad.
Why I pop the balloon? You're good to go, is it? But you just into that sucky, like you don't know what you just want for suck. I'm not into them things there, yo. You see it? Man, for girl, a classy girl, you just into that. You're good though, until you just sucky. I'm not into my style there, you see it? But you look good though. Me into the thick, yo. Yeah, I was gonna tell you that, you see it?
Big man thing, your body not ready yet, my girl. You look like you have like all cheap picnic. Run back at, yeah man, you look like you have cheap picnic back at you.
Novo Pandora.
Yo, Toronto. At the next part, the balloon are find love. Toronto, you ready? Big up on yourself, man, not lie. People, but they are Canada, Toronto, Canada, and the vibes is nice. Thank you for everybody that came out to support Toronto on a day. You see it? On a binner, tell myself forward, I'm a reach. Mama, get the song now. I'm outside in the AMG. Right, that's right. TT. Them don't know that song. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. I love the energy, the vibe. Watch out, man. Big supporter, big sponsor, Narcos. October the 18th, people. Get on the ticket right now. You see it? If you get a match right now, you don't know. Bring her to Narcos. October the 18th, right? Yeah. Simple. When a female walk out and you don't like her because you have a balloon, pop your balloon, okay? If you like her, you want to bring her to Narcos October the 18th, keep your balloon, okay? That's it. But I was in the hospital last night. Yeah, no worries. Don't worry about it, okay? I accidentally consumed a glass and thought it was ice. Went to a restaurant, but it never start out. God night, like all the time. Thank you for the love, Toronto. Let's do this fully. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Banana chip. Come to this side. Hi.
Pop it. Pop.
Wait.
Pop it, man. And that's enough to do.
She introduce herself. She not even do that. Please introduce herself.
Afro_Deity.
Yeah.
Find me on TikTok and Instagram.
Alright. What type of job you do?
I do hair.
Oh, you're a hairstylist?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. So you can do my hair?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let us know what's your type though.
I can't deal with a mean guy.
Mean.
Pop.
Mean.
No meanness.
Yeah.
A narcissist I can't do.
True. That's it?
And demons.
Demons?
Yes.
Okay.
Pop. Can't deal with it.
Okay. All right.
Rebuke.
All right.
Yes.
All right. So we got some pops. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon.
Okay.
All right. Who you want to start with first?
I will start here. Yeah.
We'll start here? All right. Your name? Your social?
You don't know a patient, you know. Bad artist patient upcoming, is it? And the official patient on YouTube and Instagram, everywhere.
All right. Why you pop the balloon?
You know, say honestly, nothing really wrong with her still, but like, I know really my style is it. She look like a nice church girl still and everything, you know. She come out good and thing, but I just know my style. You know them look over there?
What you mean? Yeah, no,
Me like I not really like go for them a type of girl here, you know? Like
nice.
not really say the nice like me more like go for a girl like the fashion different, you know. But she look nice as well, may I say, but and not my type of fashion them yeah.
All right, what you have to say about that?
That's fine.
You know what
Each
you
his
mean by
own.
fashion?
Maybe I'm too dressy.
Yeah.
You can be dressy, but me not think like for that occasion or that image I kind of fit that occasion, isn't it?
I'm overdressed.
Like you really look
Sure.
like you're dressed to go like a church service, is it?
Service, titty out.
No, not really say. You know, if like growing up, like when me I got church, I saw me see them dresses, me.
Oh, she just like, oh, your grandmother got church?
Not really my grandmother, but like you know, my sister them, I saw them that put themselves together for God church, is it?
Oh, yeah, so your sister would have just forgot church.
Yeah, is it?
He's right on. Yes.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Feel like the church outfit still I'm gonna give her like maybe about 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right. What do you think about him based on him appearance?
You look good. Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much did I rate him from out of 10?
7.
7? 7 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. All right. Let's go down the line.
Okay.
Your name, your social. Why you pop the balloon?
Why I pop the balloon? Oh, hold on. Not so pretty. Yeah, panagram. You see it? Why I pop the balloon? Truthfully, I'm not into the blase, say, yo, my titties out. I don't do it. That's not my speed. You see it? But you're good looking. You see it? But that's just not me.
What you mean?
Just I'm not into the breast out.
What's a braze?
She said breast out. You see what I'm saying? I'm you know what I'm saying? I'm
Okay.
classy girl and all them things there. Yeah. She's like titties out. You know what I'm saying? That's not my speed. You see it? But no offense, you look good, girlfriend. But that's not my speed.
All right. So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
You're like 6.5. Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
That's fine.
All right.
All right. How much did I rate him based on his appearance?
I think he could have done more.
What do you mean?
Yeah. This is like a tracksuit.
Tracksuit wear? What
Look
you
like
mean?
you're gonna go
Tracksuit
running.
wear?
Yes.
What you mean? That's not all tracksuit. What you mean? Where you see tracksuit?
It
'Cause
looks
what I
like-
see cargos. I see my top. I see designer. So I don't know what you mean about tracksuit.
There's nothing wrong with tracksuit though.
Nothing wrong with that, but
Nothing wrong
no
with
tracksuit.
tracksuit.
But
Track.
on me, I'm a man where take pride. Yeah, take
Alright.
pride in my things. There, you see.
All right. So how much did I rate him?
You want me to take out the dark
Yeah,
cards?
sure, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
A 7.
7 out of 10.
All right.
Alright.
Not wrong with that.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's go down the line. Your name? Why you pop the balloon? Your social?
Trey, IG, the real T-Man. And the reason why I pop my balloon, come in noir. I'm a friend.
Which friend?
I'm a friend.
Talk the
I'm a big friend.
Which friend?
You don't know him?
What did I say?
Talk it.
I'm a friend.
You don't know him?
You embarrass me?
I'm nervous.
You shame, you shame. Nervous. Talk it.
Come on. I'm my last one.
She not the family. That's all.
She know your family?
Brother.
Yes.
Are
What you doing here?
Are your brother? Are your brother?
Yes.
Oh, your sister.
Yeah.
So you never said that.
Just never want to say it.
All right. So you da rate your brother? How much you da rate your brother?
Yo, 10.
10. How much you da rate your sister?
Me give her 120. She broke the scale.
Aye.
All right. Let's go down the line. All right. All right. Just come to this side. Yeah. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Jenna, Instagram, Ben's boy Jenna. You don't know. Fully Millie. Up.
Why you pop the balloon?
Just not my type. She's nice, look good and everything, dressed nice, you know, on fleek, but just not my type.
All right. So how much did I rate her based on her appearance?
Give her 8.
8. All right. All right. So what you think about his appearance?
He's nice, yeah. Come on. Okay.
So how much did I rate him?
Clean. Okay. 8?
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
All right. All right. Just the mic here.
Yeah, okay.
All
Sorry.
right. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon? Social?
Silk Twain _ link me on all platforms. Is it, and that is it. And when me pop a balloon, choose say, my girl, look here. Know yourself, you're there in your own league, but you're just not there in a family league. You understand?
What that mean?
Because a brown in me depend more while. You understand?
One with it, man.
You see it. But in a field league, as a dark skin girl, you shell down the place. That me I make you know. You understand? You see
So you know like her complexion?
that I just know my speed. You understand? You see it. But nothing wrong with that same way, you know? Nothing wrong with that. I just know my thing. You see me?
All right. So how much did I rate her based on her appearance?
What you mean, man? You know, hear me say she Shelly League, man. It is a 10 in a fair league.
Right.
Yeah, man. She's a 10 in a fair league.
All right. What do you say about that?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah. How much did I rate him based on him appearance?
Yeah, man. Clean. It's good. Nice. Yeah.
Out of 10, how much did I get?
10.
10? Yeah?
Respect
Nice.
and manners every time.
Yes.
All right. Let's go down the line.
All right.
Your name, social. Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, man, you don't know, sir, Professor Jevi. Reason I popped the balloon is, John, I honestly love your character, tell you real. I feel like you're very classy, but me too wild for you, you know? So that is just it.
Too wild?
Yeah, man, me too wild, man. Like, she says she don't like demon and all these things, but not saying I am one, you know, but, you know,
You're
too
rude.
wild, you see me? But, she, you know, in my book, she's definitely a 8.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
What do you think about him?
He's good. He's nice. He seems, you know, really nice guy.
How much did I rate him?
8.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Man, you know?
Yeah, everybody
What?
come out.
Yeah, man, that is it.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
That, you know?
Come to this side. Your name, IG. Why you pop the balloon and your social?
I'm serious, a woman when my wine I can do in a year that bad. Can find me on the media. I can do music 876. Yeah. I mean I say you're rolling. Big up yourself, I don't know you control the game. You know?
Fully, Maji.
Bravo. I said the reason why I pop the balloon is you're nice, everything good, you see me. But you're a Christian, I mean a devil, you see me. So it's not gonna work. Yeah.
You telling me you're a Christian?
It's too bad.
Me turn back, you know. Me did turn back. I grew up in the church, yes. Sorry, mommy. But, you know, I know nothing.
No, I'm too bad. Me I tell her.
Everyone has their term, you know. You're out there, you come back. I'm not ready yet, but, you know.
All right. So how much did I rate her based on her appearance?
Mm, 6. Yeah, me give her 6. You see me? Yeah, man.
6 out of 10?
Yeah. Enough that, man.
Why 6?
Wally, eh? Because she's a 6.
What you say?
You know? She come out clean, you know? Nice, carry herself. A nice girl, you see me? But
Why? I must see some different skill we are talking.
What do you mean?
Different skill. But no, everyone is entitled to their, you know,
True.
opinion and their, you know, they like what they like.
True.
All right. So based on his appearance, what do you think about him?
He's nice. He seems like a nice guy.
don't make that fool you. Don't make it fool you. But just
Well-
I warn you.
You seem like a nice person still.
So how much did I rate him?
I'll get everything. Yeah. 9.
9.
Mm-hmm.
Believe.
Man, big up yourself, see me, you see me?
All right.
Yeah.
I come to this side. All right. All right. So every man without a balloon, walk with grace for me now. All right, so we're gonna find out if this is a match. You have balloon. One thing. Yo. Dog, from here you play the balloon. All right, watch out. We'll find out if this is a match, right? I'm gonna allow each of you to ask a question to get to know each other. Who wanna go first? Him? All right. Ask her a question to get to know her.
Part of Jamaica you come from.
I was born here. My parents are from Jamaica, yes.
So you talk patois.
Yeah, me can talk it, yes.
So you never talk English.
Chipping.
So you never chip it in instead of patois. Or special.
I figured a lot of patois speaking men are here, so initially that's what, But what do you prefer? What? English?
Prefer patois still.
You know the patois? Oh, you chip in, man. Come and go.
That's your question? All right. What's his question?
Are you an artist?
Huh?
Are you an artist?
No.
Okay.
That's it?
How old are you?
23.
23? Oh, boy. Ooh.
Huh?
Kind of young.
How much? How old are you?
36.
What? Something wrong? What? Eh?
No, no.
Nothing wrong?
No, no.
Can manage?
Probably.
Huh?
Probably.
Probably.
Mm-hmm.
You have any children?
No, sir.
No? You want?
Mm-hmm.
Any question for her?
She want children.
I tied my tubes, so is that a deal breaker?
Deal breaker.
You know like that?
Yeah, but I can't put the balloon see me coming on the fingernail, you know.
Oh, say that's a deal breaker?
Mm-hmm. Can't tie a tube. What's for tie a tube?
Ask her.
She don't wanna pity?
I have 2 already.
Oh, sorry about that still, but see you me go on, and you look like you're full up already, you not go on anymore. You're good, you know.
True.
Yeah? Alright, so based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Like, yeah, 8.5 still. Like our bow like
That's the reason why you never pop the balloon?
no, me that try put the balloon still.
Lie.
No, me that try put the balloon. If you watch by the video, you see it, man. The whole time they just squeeze it, but me end up there, me amazing, and say, like our foot and she look like my English teacher, and me have a crush for my English teacher, so me just make she pass.
It's good.
Faith?
Faith, man.
Alright. So, based on his appearance, how much did I rate him?
You could have come out more,
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Mr. D, you could have come out a little bit more.
What do you mean?
Look like the jeans them rub out like did I work. I can come from work.
Mm-hmm.
Yard work.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. What you have for Semaji?
She good, man.
Alright. How much did I rate him?
7.5.
7.5. Alright. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so you never have a match to them a G, so you gotta walk with grace here. Oh. Alright, so what you think about him say if he did come out speaking like your English language?
It comes in, it comes out.
Okay, it's natural.
My parents are Jamaican, and that's how I talk.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
So you never get a match today? You know what you have to do, right?
Oh, walk with grace, eh?
Walk with grace.
And mackerel.
Jesus. Like you're running a boat. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, more and big up the person who captured the visual live boss in a day of my G. But guess what going on, people? Me not touch on the play this live boss to catch your passport. You hear that? Here we going on, everyone on my team them. Big up on yourself, keep doing the work. You see it, motor source. If you don't want a car, tired for walk, motor source. Bad. Bring in the next female. Come to this side. Hey.
Hi.
Hi, introduce yourself.
So I'm Liz. I do hair. It goes Slade by RXBXL for Rebel.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's awesome. All right. What's your type?
I like a man's man. Like, I don't want a man to come and stress me and add more to my life. I work hard by myself and I'm peace of mind by myself. So I want someone that could add to the life, have a right mindset, no games. I don't like games.
And that's one of your deal breakers?
Yeah. I don't like to waste time.
And what's one of your perfect date? Like,
A perfect date?
yeah.
I like new experiences. So something that I haven't done before, something I wouldn't think of. Yeah, just show me a good time. Let's see where it goes from there.
All right, so we got some pops.
Okay.
We're going to find out why they pop the balloon. Who you want to start with first?
Let's start with the first one right here.
Yep.
Oh.
Your name?
Pop balloon.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Smiley. Some pop the balloon before, but she said something extra after. When I like that style.
What'd I say?
She want to try some new thing.
Mhm.
And I depend that. Is it?
What are you thinking about when I say new things?
I don't know still, but I just
Oh.
want to be clear. I'm gonna try new
All
things.
right. I think you're looking too deep, but it's okay. I respect your
Yeah,
decision.
but I find that I like your face still. You're
Oh,
cute.
thanks.
But I like your body overall still.
Oh, that's all right.
Kinda look like my mother.
She look good then.
No, she not shape good.
Oh my gosh!
Mother not shape good.
You're
still.
outside. You do too much.
I just mad. Alright. Sorry about that still, mom.
It's
But,
all right.
Yeah, just me that, you know.
Okay.
All right, so much did I rate her?
But I give her a 7.
Okay.
7 out of 10? All right. Based on him appearance, what you think about him?
I'll give him a 7 too.
7 out of
I'll give
10?
him a 7.
All right. All right, we'll go down the line.
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Jano. Yo. I can do, you see me? But what you know? Now disrespect the woman and nothing, but you know? You kind of look fake to me, you know?
Fake? Oh
Yeah,
gosh.
you look like you're not real.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, but just to be honest, you know?
I look like a fake person?
Yeah, you look like you're not real.
You can't say that if you don't know me.
I don't know you, 'cause you look like you're not real.
Okay, I'm plastic. Okay, that's fine.
I never said that.
It's
And
okay.
You want to tell me that about yourself? Are that a go on?
Okay.
What you mean? Like,
I don't look real. I look plastic. Like I
Oh,
look
like
fake,
plastic,
like somebody
like-
with fake. I
like
don't know.
plastic surgery?
Yeah, she don't look real to me,
Real?
bro. She look like alien.
Cap.
No.
All right, I
Listen
respect
me.
your decision.
Yeah. But me don't want to disrespect the body, you know, but me does that, you know?
All right, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
-5.
-5?
Yeah.
-5?
I think he was heartbroken, but it's okay.
No, me not have no heart, so you can't say that.
Oh, see, I can't deal with that. He has no heart.
Exactly.
He has
All
no
right,
heart.
so based on film appearance, what you think about him?
I'll give him like a 5. He's a 5.
Positive 5.
Yeah.
All right.
We're not so wicked.
All right, come down to the side.
Mm.
All right, come on. All right, so every man without a balloon, walk with grace for me now. All right. So right now you have the option, right now, to pop 2 male balloon based on appearance. This is for you.
Oh. Okay.
Let's use on the mic.
Okay, so I'm going to pop yours. No disrespect. Okay? No disrespect. And I'm going to pop yours. No disrespect, okay?
All right, we'll find out why.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, to the side. Your name? Your name?
Jenna Boss.
All right, so why did you pop Jenna Boss balloon?
Jenna Boss, like, he has such a sweet face. And I like my man kind of, you know? And so far, yeah. But your height and everything is good. Like, you're not ugly. It's just, you look a little bit too soft for me. Yeah.
So him look soft
Like, he has such a sweet face.
in a good way.
In a good way, yeah. It's just I like a little, you know?
Oh,
A little bit, you know, just a little. When you look man at man, you're just like, okay. Yeah, like tough and rough.
All right, so how much did I rate him?
I'd rate him like a 7.
7 out of 10. All right, based on her appearance, what you think about her?
Give her a 7, same way.
7. What you like about her?
Nice, light complexion, you know. She knows how to dress. Nice.
Thank you.
know, chain, gold, everything look good.
Thank
Hair.
you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Respect, yeah.
All right, come on to this side. Your name?
Silk Twin _, link me all platforms.
All right, so Silk. Why did you pop Silk balloon?
So for me, like, you have to swag everything, and I love a dark skin man. You just look a little bit too old for me. Yeah.
How old you feel maybe?
I don't know. I don't want to ask you and disrespect you. I don't like to
No,
guess.
I'm not disrespecting, you know, just go
Are
on.
you in like your middle 30s, high 30s?
Aye.
Yeah, you look so.
Yeah, man.
But like, yeah, everything else, yeah.
So you say you're young then?
I'm not young, but I just don't like them. There's just something I like.
So you say
know? It's just
you're
not-
like young boy then?
No.
Yeah.
No,
So you look like you're confused.
It's not that. It's just you just look a little too.
What you mean? Me
Much for
30,
me.
me 36, so what happened?
Nothing no wrong, you know. It's just
Yeah, I know your speed.
yeah.
I just say go.
Yeah.
Oh, so
You have a rough look, so. You know?
Aye.
Yeah.
Oh, so age is a big factor for you?
Yeah, like I just don't. I know what I like. I don't know how to explain it. I like what I like.
True.
Yeah.
And you say you'd rate him how much?
I would rate him an 8.
Yeah?
We can work with that, man. You mean, man?
What do you think about your appearance?
All right, here what?
Mm-hmm.
Your face pretty. Me not go around it. From the program start, me say fair skin girl, that I it for me. You understand? But big man thing, your body not ready yet, my girl. You look like you have like all cheap picnic. Run
Cheap
back
picnic?
at, yeah man. You
Alright.
look like you have cheap picnic
I
back at you,
definitely
man.
can't bring live, so it's alright.
That. Oh, you can bring life.
Can I bring live?
Yeah, man, that is it. A woman, yeah, man, after man can bring life. But yeah, man, I may have cheap pick the same way. You understand? So I rate you as a mother.
Yeah.
But me not take on nobody problem. You understand?
Some a year.
Yeah, man. You
It's
see it.
alright.
So I'm glad say you don't know.
How much should I rate her?
Her face, 10. Her face off the scale. But your body not ready yet, my girl, cause I just saw you go.
Alright.
But that's what I tell you, you see me?
Yeah. We can't take constructive criticism.
Aye.
It's alright.
Yeah, man, I just saw you go.
All right?
Aye.
Yeah? All right, come down to this side. All right, so every male without a balloon, walk with grace for me now. I go down to that side more. Yeah. Boom. All right, so your decision right now. Do a little speed thing, ask them a question, any question you want to do. Who you want to start with first?
I'll start with him.
Yeah, let's go.
So what is the ideal first date with us if we were to go out?
You know, say I'm an adventurous person, so like Mother said dinner, cause you don't know we can cook
Regular
food and
something,
take. Would
yeah.
I go like maybe some dirt bike riding or some jet ski and you know, all a vibe and them thing. The food I got in it, but Mother say a dinner date like we just go around table and sit down and eat, you see me? So I'm more like a something adventure, you know? Yeah,
Okay.
that's me. I like scenery. You know?
Okay, me too.
Yeah.
I love the water.
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, let's down the line.
All right.
Your name?
Nash. Is it?
Naj.
Yeah.
How old are you, Naj?
I'm a big man.
Oh, for real?
29. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
One question or I can ask more?
Yeah, you can ask him more.
Oh, okay. You have kids?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. That's all I had for him.
Yeah? All right, go down the line. Your name?
My name is Trey.
Trey. Okay, Trey. What do you do for work?
I'm a sales account manager.
Okay, hear about things. All right. And where would you take me on a first date?
Depends on what you like. If you're more into activities, dinner, you know, excursions.
Okay, so you're not the type of person to just you wait to see what the girl likes. You don't want to try something new, like
I don't mind trying something new, but I want to know what the other person,
their interest.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Nice to meet you.
Yeah?
Nice to meet him.
All right, come down to this side.
Okay.
All right, so I want you to pop one male balloon.
Okay. Sorry. Sorry.
Wow. All right, so I can
Okay.
find out why did you pop his balloon?
The reason I pop his balloon is because I like taller guys.
Straight
You know?
straight
Well, you got the tats and stuff, so
yeah.
But I like taller guys. I like the overpowering feeling.
Yeah.
Jeez, are you catch that? All right, hold on. Focus. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Give her like a solid 8. Easy. Like a 8. But me just want to know say why short man determines certain things. Is it like why is that?
Just, like for me, like I just like to look up at my nigga, have my arms wrapped
But
up.
we're at
around
that
me.
though.
I like to be like this, and then the bedroom, like I like a.
Yeah, but I'm not, you didn't even seem same. You gotta.
No, I understand. You know, it might not seem right to you, but it's just what I like. I'm not even trying to be disrespectful.
I know it's
just
a
what I
preference
like.
thing.
Yeah, like it's just a
but
preference.
it don't hurt you till you. You know what I'm saying? I'm
I
a
get
man
you.
that could.
I get you, but I would look more towards a tall man.
True.
Yeah.
To each your own. You see
Yeah,
me?
yeah.
All right, so based on him appearance, what do you think about him?
I would give you a 7. I would give you a 7.
Why 7?
Because I like his tats, like his face isn't bad. I like his jawline, but I like waves on them, something they braids and something. So, I like little hair.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Easy. Nothing wrong with that.
nothing
You're a good
wrong.
girlfriend.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong.
All right?
Yeah.
Let's go on this side. All right, so all of a sudden, G, why you pop the balloon? Your name?
I don't know, I'm patient already. Is it me? Official _ PASHENT. Is it me? Because people always have problem with the spelling. But anyways, but just feel like saying much or more, is it me?
Him?
Yeah.
You need to be confident, my friend.
No, I just don't feel,
Just start doing something there.
we just feel like him much or more, so I just pop it, Because him a root fear, say, I feel him, yeah? Yeah.
But him balloon get pop?
No.
You talk about.
Isn't it? Yeah, him tall and me too, She like tall guy too. Him tall and me. Him about.
Here you're rolling.
Him tall and me too, is it?
Hold on. It's a rush shot thing for real?
Yeah, me shot to him, so I feel him.
Sorry?
It's a rush shot thing for real?
It's just not tall enough, my friend.
All right.
But me feel like say you should have a puppy balloon.
I just feel like
Very
you know.
Feel like a him.
Yeah, look, like
Yeah, root for him.
Yeah. Cause black and full black.
my days.
Whenever I walk
Yeah.
out, I say, yo, Jaja. Yeah,
my
I just
days.
one of them style.
So you are going to step back and just...
Yeah, and give him. Let him go. No, but that's yeah.
All right, so based on her appearance though, how much should I rate her?
Would I give her a 9 still? She cute and she put herself together good and yeah, would I give her a 9 and stay so, like her vibe,
All right. What do you think about film appearance?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you popped the balloon. I gave him a 9. I would have gave him a 9, guys. He's crazy. He's crazy. That's why you got in a rolly. That's why you
Yeah,
go.
one of them there.
All right, so I'm going to understand that still. You wouldn't want him to pop the balloon?
No, I love my yard man. I'm not telling a lie. I love my yard man.
ask a question?
And in tall,
All right then. So how much should I rate him?
I'll give him a 9.
9.
Can I ask one question for you?
No, you have to walk with grace. Walk
Bye,
with grace.
friend.
You walk with grace, do you hear me, G?
Grace me on walk.
Yeah. All right. Oh my gosh.
Oh my days.
Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Trey, bro, come in like she beg the man to get back in balloon, so no.
Me not begging her.
Yeah, beg him.
Me not beg.
Why you tell him why my papa and whatever.
Yeah,
whatnot,
because
so.
like, why you not confident in yourself? Why you pop the balloon and that was the reason you gave? But that's how you feel.
No.
That's how you feel.
I like a lady that, when she see me, she wants me.
So yeah, that you feel like.
Yeah, I should be the number one target. So
I hear you.
All right. So based on her appearance, though, you didn't pop a balloon. Wait, what made you not?
she look good. No matter what them said, your shape good.
I like me I say.
And
Politicals.
yeah, face is cute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You know how much did I rate her?
Give her a 7.
7.
Alright.
7 is a lucky number.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I like that one. You got a little riz.
All right. Based on his appearance, what do you think about him?
I like the swag. I like the overall image. I would give you an 8.
8 out of 10.
But like what I said for the next man, like you have like a clean, like soft look where I like my man, you know? You know?
What clean about me?
Like the roughness. I don't know how to explain it. I just love, that's why I love a yard man, because they give a roughness where draw me out. So, but you give,
Draw you out?
clean. You're clean.
Draw you out?
When I forget draw out.
Like what kind of draw?
Bun.
Don't worry. No, I never give bun in my life, so don't get it twisted.
No, she
But
want
for
a
my
man to give her a bun. That's
No, for
Oh,
my
so you say yard man give bun?
No, that she want. Is
No, but me
I
give her
want
a bun. No, not generalizing. No.
Okay.
If that's what he took from that, but okay. But nice meeting you.
Yeah?
Nice meeting you.
Okay, so it's not a match, Maji. Walk with grace. Oh my God.
Oh my days.
So you tell me say the one where you want pop?
That's an idiot thing. And that mean I say he was looking the most like her. It was giving yard man for me.
Just walk with grace.
No, okay.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Like the video. Comment below. But then in Canada, Toronto. Why do you make a video at Niagara Falls? Not the same thing. I know the same thing as only two technical man. You see, watch now. Make sure you remember October the 18th, live performance by TJ Up Top Boss, Vanessa Bling, and what a Jamal. You see, you don't know Narcos. October the 18th. Get the ticket now. See the flyer here? Come in, man. Don't miss the big event, you know. Maji, you ready for the next female? Yo, mama, hear some roll. All right. Watch now, man. Bring her in. Ready? Yeah, ready? Bring her to this side. Come to this side. Wait until she reaches out. Wait. Wait until she reaches right here, so. All right. Introduce yourself.
My name is Van.
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 What's your social?
Don't have any.
Okay. All right. No problem. What's your type, Van?
Confident. Outgoing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Be natural. Be you.
Be you. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And what's a deal breaker when it comes on to a male?
A gentleman with children.
Or you don't like?
I love children. I just want it to be ours together. So
The first child supposed to be?
yeah.
All right. Not bad, right? All right. So we got some few pops. We're gonna find. We're done? All right. So we got few pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. We're gonna go down to that side first.
All right, let's
Good?
go.
Let's go. All right, just beside me.
All
right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I can do. You see me? The reason why I pop the balloon is you know, you're nice and everything. Don't get me wrong, no makeup, you know, and everything good, but not really my type. You see me? Yeah. You remind me like yeah, Christian.
Of course.
See me can
Are
tell.
we all God's people?
Yeah, true. But me can tell, you know, so me, yeah, now I'm gonna work.
That's fine.
Yeah, so, but I like the dressing, church dressing, you know. Cause my mother Christian, you know, so, you see me, so, everything good though. You come out, you're clean. Your smiles are like somebody are ticklish, yo.
She just happy.
True.
Mm-hmm.
Me give you an 8 for your naturalness, you see me?
I appreciate
I just
that.
that me like.
Thank you.
Yeah. One cool.
All right, so based on his appearance, what do you think about him?
8.
8 out of 10?
Mm-hmm. He's handsome.
Okay. All right. If him approach you on the road, like outside, would he gotten a chance to get your number?
No, because he's not tall.
No.
Oh, him not tall. Okay, all right.
And everybody tall, you know? You not tall. You
Right,
think
that's why
you
I want my man to tower over me.
True. See my balloon over there, so. I'm going to wait for you, yeah? I'm going to wait for you.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.
All right, come on to the side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, Professor Jevi. The reason why I popped the balloon, it's just, I don't know, it looked like a teacher in a sense, you know. Maybe it's the stoplight, you know,
Stop
preschool teacher thing. But that's cool and all, you know, but I don't know, I just feel like I'm too grimy for you one night time, you know.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, so I just...
Grimy?
Yeah, like my style and, you know, just my character. I got call me a mad, believe.
Mad too.
Well,
She says you're mad too.
watch out now. I just opposite attract, you know. Yeah.
Oh, somebody calm.
So 2 weeks, yeah, man.
I hear you.
Yeah, but
All right, so based on his appearance, how much did I rate him?
A 9. I like his eyes.
And you rate her? How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
love everything way natural, so boom, 7.5.
I appreciate that. Heavenly 7, why not?
Yeah. All right, let's
Heavenly
go.
7.
Come on to this side. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
SILK Silk Towing _ link me on all platforms. And why me pop the balloon now? I tell you my girl why. First and foremost, me da give you a bun till you're awake. Remember good. You understand? That me make you know. That I first thing. A second thing, remember me say, my girl them have a fair skin. You understand? That are my speed.
That's all right. Black is beautiful. That's all right.
You see it. Me not discriminate, you know, that is just my speed, you understand? Yeah. You know, so but just even if you did fair skin to how you behave, me know say you'd get burnt till you wake, man. You'd run in your water. God know. Remember good.
Why? Why?
Yeah, man. Me just see she just look like she can't mash ants. You understand? My woman have to mash ants, man.
All right.
You see it? She not showing no weight, brother. So just, you know, I just saw you go. Yeah, man.
All right, what you say about that?
That's all right. I'm a Scorpio, very strong, but
That is it. That is it.
All right, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
5.
5 out of 10?
Well, me good with that, you know, cause you know, so they say 5 out of 10, that are 50, and me meet halfway, so me don't pass the line. What you mean? 5 out of 10, that are 50 out of 100. So, you understand? So me don't pass. I'm happy with that. Yeah, man.
Yeah, get it?
I get it.
All right?
Oh, that is it. But she, you know, cause you know, then I'm family league, me appreciate the 5. But me I give a 3 because you know they're in a family league. You understand?
That's all right. 3's my number 2, so we good.
That
Yeah.
is it. Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Come on to this side. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Jenna Boss, Instagram, Ben's boy Jenna. The reason why I popped the balloons, like, she gave me more church vibes, you know?
Who?
The church vibes. Like, you know, although I believe in God, yes, you know, Father God, Jesus Christ, you know, I believe in I'm a Christian, but just give me, not my style, not my type of girl.
All right. So, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Give her a 6.
6 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
What you have to say about that?
Same 6.
6. All right. Okay. Going to this slide. All right, my G. You just pop a balloon. Why?
The reason why I popped my balloon because I don't really believe in that zodiac sign thing, you know. Yeah, I think I'll go pick me something that, bro. Yeah. Before you get to know me, you should ask me like questions to get to know me about my family and stuff like that, you know?
I agree.
The zodiac signs is just all set up for failed assumptions and expectations. And then anything I do wrong, you're gonna base it on that, on my zodiac sign.
Definitely not. I was just saying I'm strong because I'm a Scorpio.
Yeah, and that's why I'm pop.
All right. So, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
I give her an 8. She seemed like a cool person, you know, to talk to and get to know. So
All right. All right. What you think about his appearance?
9.
9.
appreciate that. Appreciate that.
All right. What you like about him?
His eyes, his whole setup, and he's tall.
All right. Yeah. All right, come down to this side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Smiley. I just feel like she should come on my show, you know, because she like a Christian.
Christian?
Yeah, she like a Christian.
So because you're a Christian, she not
No, I feel like say she not rate God still.
Huh?
I feel like she not rate God. Me sit down there so say like she a Christian. I don't know if that's the saying, but she look like a Christian still.
And you say she not rate God?
No, she not rate God.
What does that mean?
She asks what does that mean?
I was born in God church.
Okay.
Go find a husband at church.
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much would I rate her?
Would you rate her? Would I give her a 0? I no joke.
0 to 10?
Yeah. I just feel like she should come on my show.
Alright, based on him appearance, what do you think about him?
2.
2?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, 2 out of 10?
Yeah.
Good at that?
Yeah, man. I'm not wrong.
Alright.
Sleepy, short.
His what?
His eyes are sleepy, short.
I'm first, man.
Okay. Alright, let's come on the line. Alright. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Nash, why I pop the balloon? You seem like a sweet girl, you see it? But you're just not my speed. But no offense.
None taken.
Yeah, that
We all
that's
got our
just-
thing that we like, so
Yeah, but nothing wrong with that. You see it? You look good.
I
But
appreciate
you're just
it.
not my speed at the end of the day. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so how much would I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give it a solid 6.5.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you think about film appearance?
Same. He's got swag.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Come on the line. Alright, so my G, you held the balloon all along. Why you decide to pop the balloon?
Yeah, I know I say well it because maybe I try to hear more from her, but she nice and everything. I like the stoplight using them, you know. Yeah, anyway, depend if I wait depend now go or stop. But anyways, yeah. But anyways, yeah, I feel like say she would have hurt me still, you see me? She too nice. Yeah.
Hurt you?
Yeah. She too nice, you see it. So you know, a girl is too nice, you know, because I'm afraid of hurt, you know. So, yeah.
But that's the opposite. Like, I wouldn't hurt you.
No, I just how me feel, me say, yo, you know, say, yo, I think she that hurt me still.
Also, when a girl too nice, she gonna hurt you?
Yeah, because too much man I go want her. Look how, so much man I go want her, man. Me have to fret on them thing there, you see it? So, yeah, so me I say, yo, no, you see it?
Yeah.
But me give her a 9 still, you see it? Yeah.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
And you like her, what?
Yeah, man, she too nice. You have got name yourself too nice still, you know.
AKA Smiley, that's what they say.
Too nice, yeah.
Alright, so based on his appearance, what do you think about him?
9.
9 out of 10?
Tall, nice smile.
Okay.
Cool.
Alright?
Alright, then, yeah.
Cool. Alright, so today you never get a match.
That's alright.
So I'm gonna ask you to walk with grace, please.
Alright.
Alright, listen. Oh. Too nice?
Yeah, man, she too nice, man.
Bro. Yo, I don't know how much likes me need on the video here, but my birthday is around the corner. So, I never yet get 50,000 likes. I never yet get 10,000 likes in a 1 hour. I can't get that. Everybody just like the video. Just like the video. Call your mother. Call your auntie. Like the video. Come on, do it. You see me? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Are you ready for the first female? Are you ready? Ready. Let's do this. Yo, make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Remember, my birthday is on the 22nd of October. I'm a Libra. You see it? We can't get a hug for that? Yo, come on. No, stop it, man. Yeah, I'm a G. Yes, I know you're gonna give me some for my birthday. No, I know. Remember, October the 18th, Narcos, is it? Bad. Bring in the next female for me. My G, watch you now. We can't wait until street, right? Right, sir? Right until street, right, sir? Come to this side. Hi, come right here. Introduce yourself.
Hi, everybody. I'm SB.
SB?
Yeah.
All right. What's your social?
SB the Don on everything.
What type of work you do?
I'm an artist and I'm an entrepreneur.
Not bad.
Shame.
All right. What's your type, though? What type of man you normally go for?
Masculine man.
Masculine.
Man will act like man, not jelly back.
That's
Right,
it?
Drew? Yeah. I don't want to talk too much. When you see about them, we ask them.
All right. So, what's a deal breaker? I just want to know.
Man will act like gal. Yeah, that's it.
All right. So, we got some pops. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon. All right?
Mm-hmm.
We want to start with first? Yeah? All right. Let's go. Come to this side. This side of me.
Why
More
not?
there. Right, sir? Yeah.
Sorry, I want to look me in face.
All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Smiley. I just pop the balloon because it's too heavy.
Too heavy?
Yeah, can't manage it, you know.
Am I that slim as?
No, mother heavy too. That's why I'm not
that
really
makes
heavy
sense.
as it.
That makes sense. Well, all right. Cool, active.
All right. So, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Yeah, 6 still.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 6?
Because she's a 6.
Active.
All right. Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
5.
5.
Yeah.
Why 5?
Shoes look like them come from a flea market.
Ooh.
I did to get that. I lie. It's alright. But him face alright. But like just the way him put himself together. Just the way him put himself together, me never really like it. Yeah.
And him shoes?
D8 you get.
D-O?
D8 get.
What does that mean?
You know, don't play that.
How much
AliExpress you
my
get them.
shoes?
AliExpress.
AliExpress, ooh, you know Versace? Look. See, I play your Sheen card for the year.
Huh?
My what card?
Your Sheen card.
Sheen?
Mm-hmm.
I lie. She go. But like that place there.
All right. Good?
No.
That's all good.
Start with him.
Him?
Yeah.
So, we don't want to come back?
No.
All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Nash. Why I pop the balloon? You're good to go, is it? But you just into that sucky. Like you don't know what you just want for suck. I'm not into them things there, yo. Is it? I'm for girl, a classy girl. You're just into that. You're good though. Until you just sucky. I'm not into my style there, is it? But you look good though. Me into the thick, yo. I was gonna tell you that, is it?
Alright.
I was gonna give you the A to Z, but
Alright.
true, you just sucky.
Active.
Active. All right.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, love.
So-
and alone. Love and alone. Yeah.
How much did I...
What you mean?
Love and love alone. Sure.
All right. We
So-
top. You a top. Is it?
How much did I rate her?
Yeah.
From 1 to 10?
What's that? Clark's?
Yeah. Wally beer.
Jump off. Brown jump off.
Come now.
I give you a look. Look at me, dog. Look at me, girl. Look at me, yo. Don't feel look up in my eyes, dog. Oh, you have what is it? Contacts?
No, I'm a eye.
I lie, talk.
No contacts them yeah.
Do this.
Me not put my hand in my eye. You
Dibble
put
and
it-
dabble.
You do it. You do it.
My eyes, them
You do
live.
it. Put your hand in your eye. Do it. Exactly. And your eyes just brown.
Okay, so what your ethnicity?
I'm Jamaican.
And what?
I'm Jamaican and Jamaican and Jamaican.
Yeah, you're not.
Airwalk. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, where you come from, Jamaica?
All right, so you pop your balloon in her. So
true,
you give me
yeah,
a...
do it, yeah.
give me a... How much you rate her?
Look at 7 on the Gaza.
All
Like a
right.
7.
Yeah.
All right, so based on him appearance, how much you rate him?
Him face is at 8. Him closed door. I don't like your clothes. You
Alright,
don't say
cool,
good.
cool,
But
cool.
him face at 8. Me I just go rate him face 8.
Cool.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, cool.
All right. I go down the line.
Yeah.
What is so? Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Silk, SILK, Towing, underscore link me on all platforms. And why me pop the balloon? John was star me I tell you say, you know say as me said before, a brown in a my thing more while and a fair skin. But my girl, me not really in a you look like you have some picking around a yard them and I really
Yeah, man, me have 2.
You understand?
Yeah.
I not take up no woman we have no picking it right now.
Right,
no,
so you
no
have
stress
picnic?
oh, you mean we have me picking them?
Alright,
Yeah,
active.
man, but
Active.
no disrespect. You understand? Just,
Yeah, man.
You just look like you have some picnic around
Yeah.
there, so I'm in a really my speed. You understand?
Yeah, man.
I just saw you go.
Yeah, man.
You
So you don't want her with no kids?
But she look like she freaky dog, cause you know say
You freaky?
No, sir.
Oh, okay.
No, me no bout in a system. But
Alright.
oh, you going with lollipop? Man. When I time, I have to wonder. You see me?
Yeah, man.
That is it.
So much of the rate her?
From what me see what she do with that day, I figure her 1 8 or 9. You see me? But overall, you can hold 1 6 still, you know? In your own league, man. You're in your own league.
Also 6
Alright.
without the lollipop?
Yeah, without the lollipop, she can hold 1 6. You see me?
But with the lollipop 8?
Yeah, man. That give her the boost, you know. You see me? Yeah, because we
Alright.
don't know. She mad them with that day. You understand?
Yeah. Alright, so based on him appearance, what you think about him?
You're a grown man, right?
Oh,
Why you have braces?
what you mean? When I
alright.
fix up myself, me get money now, so I just so you go.
Veneers.
When I time, me never have money, so.
Okay. Understand.
Yeah, man.
Your
me
chain
have-
real?
What you mean, man? Where the tester there? Anytime.
Alright.
Me no-
Alright, how much did I rate him?
6.
that is it. I mean, work with that.
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, let's go down the line. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I'm still so warm. I can't then I hear that bad. The reason why I pop the balloon, my friend, you see me? Yeah.
Hi, friend.
SB.
Me no know that boy, you know?
Jesus Christ.
Father
don't worry
God.
either. A joke, man. I can do.
Okay.
Are you
No,
a friend?
he said no. He's joking.
No, man, I'm a friend, man. But
But me no know
you see
him.
me? No, I don't know her. You see?
Oh, so how much did I rate her? No, so why you pop the balloon though?
I don't, you know, I like
That's
slimmers, you
correct,
see? Yeah.
Slim
I
as.
like slimmers.
Slimmers.
That's, yeah, you know.
Alright.
That's how you go. Come on, clean, nice. No makeup, big up yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Father.
Wait until me talk now when you pop the balloon.
So how much did I rate her?
She does not. Me like her vibes, you see me? Her vibes me like. So me go give her 8.
8 out of 10.
Me like her vibes, yeah.
What do you think about his appearance?
Him vibes nice. Him face nice. Him dress nice. Yeah, him dress nice. I'll give him a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
man.
9.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, come to this side. Who just recently popped them balloon, steer, but everybody else walk with grace.
Yes, sir. Walk with grace now?
Walk with grace, G. Walk with grace. Yeah. Alright, so my G, they popped the balloon.
Yeah.
Why all of a sudden?
She good at everything, you know, but it's like me see her as a co-worker, you know? Like she an artist, me an artist too, and she just that vibe that me I get from her, is it? Like, you know, friend vibe, co-worker, do music together and thing, is it? But otherwise I'm that she good, me give her a 9, is it?
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Overstand. Overstand.
Overstand?
Overstand.
Alright, so based on him appearance?
I'ma do this, you know? Look good. 10.
10.
Alright.
Yeah, I'ma do you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, come to this side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Trey, IG, the real team, man. The reason why I popped my balloon is the artist thing, you know? Yeah.
You know, like artists.
Dated one already before? A problem, bro.
What? Why?
Too many features. And, yeah, man, we'll leave it at a problem.
Feature them.
They feature them. Yeah.
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
You're 1'9". You see that the pussy eye what she have?
The who?
The pussy eye what she have? Pussy
who?
eye.
The pussy eye.
Yeah.
Okay,
And the
sorry.
pussy eye goes wide though.
Oh yeah. She said she born with it, so yeah. And they look a sucky thing.
Alright.
Yeah.
That
we'll leave it at that though.
Yeah. This pan film appearance. How much
Him
should I
look
rate it?
good. A 9. Him look good.
9.
Yeah, him look
Appreciate
good.
that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Respect.
Alright,
Respect.
come to this side. Alright, so the man named without a balloon. Orchid Grace for me now. To this side, Maji. Come. Forward up more. Alright. Your choice right now, you know? So, what I want you to do, ask each of them a question, get to know them. We're gonna see if which one of them you have a chemistry with, okay? Alright, so who you wanna start with first?
Let's start on this side.
Okay, let's go. Let's to this. Yeah. Alright. What's the question for him?
Okay, before I ask my question, what's your name?
Professor Jevi.
Professor what?
Professor Jevi.
Jevi.
Yeah.
Alright. Professor Jevi. What question? Me not ask him. Me not ask.
Anything you wanna know? You wanna get to know him?
Professor Jevi, where do you see yourself in the next year?
Aside from richer than last year, Jano, but I say with more connections, you know, travel more places in the world, and stack more monies. You know what else to say? Yeah.
Okay.
Man.
Yeah?
Okay. Yeah, next question.
Alright.
Okay, before I ask him a question,
What's your name?
Jenna.
Cheddar?
Jenna
Jenna.
Boss, you know?
Jenna Boss, alright. Okay, Jenna, my question for you is, what would you say is one of your red flags?
My red flags. Well, my girl have to drive. She have to have license. She have to be able to, you know, communicate, you know, commute and whatever. And she have to smell good, dress nice, look clean when she's on the road with me for sure. And just have good vibes, you know, have manners, respect. You know, that's about it.
That's it? You get the answer?
I have to pop your balloon. Me not drive, me have anxiety. Sorry.
You not jive?
Me not drive. I'm saying I need a girl to drive. It not pop. Pop cutie. Pop nice and cute.
Alright, so you never popped the balloon. What's one of the reasons why?
You know, she look good. She know she looks like she is. You know, she's an artist. She knows she wants to. She knows what she wants.
Yeah.
You know, so it's one of the things.
Alright, so how much should I rate her?
Give her a 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, what you think about him?
Me give him a 9.
I know 10. Why? What you like about him?
No answer, man. I like the ear. Yeah, and then put himself together good.
Alright. But it's not a match. So you have to walk with grace, my G. Alright, so what I want you to do right now, you're gonna ask her a question. You're gonna get the chance to do that. Anything you wanna know, you can ask her, and then she can ask you back. We just wanna see if this is a match with chemistry.
Alright, so who's your local favorite dancehall artist?
Local, like in the city?
Yeah.
SB the Dan.
Yeah? No,
Myself.
besides yourself, you know?
Local
Come
favorite.
I feel like you're bad said way, you know?
Dancehall artist, right?
Yeah.
One Dan.
Big up one Dan, you see me? But I wrong answer, mama.
Alright.
Big up one Dan said way.
Him there?
What?
I watch this, man, but big him up, yeah, man.
What are the favorite artists?
You see, watch you know? As a artist now, me have a different genre of music.
Oh, you're an artist also?
Yeah, man, so me kind of collide with that, you know? So.
Oh, you expect her to say you?
No, just my kind of lane of music, you know? Because you have R&B, rap, dancehall, you know? But just a different, softer dancehall, I'm gonna say.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Overstand.
Okay, alright, so based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
John, definitely an 8, you know? Definitely.
What's one of the reasons why you kept the balloon?
Well, I love the way, you know, she carry herself same way, you know what I mean? Her personality is very confident, you know what I say? So, I like a woman with confident, you know what I mean? And Yeah, that was it.
That was it.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Based on film appearance, what do you think about him?
I'm gonna give him a 7.
Man.
Just coming, I like your shoes, but your face very nice.
I appreciate
your face
that.
are nice, yeah. But
You don't like him shoes?
No.
What you not like
I
about
don't
the
know.
man's shoes?
Some nobody's giving off. I don't know.
What is
And the
that?
pants me not really like neither.
Yeah, okay.
But that is it.
Come like you play strip middle, but that cool, you know?
Eh?
Okay. All right, so it wasn't that much today. Walk with grace, Maji. SB.
Yeah,
Never get a match, you know.
that's okay.
That's okay?
That is alright.
Oh my gosh, Toronto. Big up
Because none of them
yourself.
are giving gunman anyway.
Huh?
None of them are giving gunman anyway. None of them are giving gunman.
What you did want? You
None of
want
them are giving gunman.
you also you did want a gun?
Yeah, right true.
Alright. Walk with grace.
Why is somebody saying be careful how I'm talking?
Walk with grace. Walk with grace.
Talk like man.
Alright, watch you now. Remember, Narcos, October the 18 people. Watch at the biggest event of Canada. If you don't know about this, come in, grab a ticket right now. The link in the description, everything, every information. Follow them on Instagram. Yo, Jay, big up your badness. Hear that? Bring in the next female for me now. On ready? On ready? Ready? Come to the side. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Chin.
Chin, alright. What's your social?
China_Dolly.
Alright. What type of job you do? China?
I work in retail. Sales.
Sales. That's good. That's good. Alright. So what's your type?
Faithful. Charming. Funny.
Yeah.
Respectful.
Preach it.
Provider.
Alright.
Yeah.
That not bad. That not bad. And what's few of a deal breaker when it comes to a man?
Baby mothers. Nice. Okay. All right.
Sorry. Sorry.
Easy. All right. 2, 3. Okay. No ambition. No real job.
The what? Every job not real? Man, no.
All right. All right. You know what I'm talking about.
I'm just a pick up.
All right.
Just a pick up.
All right.
All right, so we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
Let's do it.
All right, so who you want to start with first?
First one who popped? Or first one in the lineup, I guess?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Nash, why I popped the balloon? True, I have a baby mother, so that was important for me. But aside from that, you look good. I like your fit.
Thank you.
You see it, but
How many baby moms you got?
I got one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sounded like a few there.
Nah.
Okay,
straight.
all
Nah, we
right.
straight. You
All
feel
right.
me?
Okay.
Yeah, we good.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, so based on her appearance, though, how much did I rate her?
What bag is that?
Steve Madden.
Steve Madden. Give it like a 7.5. You see it?
7.5 because?
Steve Madden?
True, man, I'm on that. I'm not even like materialistic, but
You want to see our
Steve
Gucci?
Madden. No, Steve Madden I never heard Steve Madden in a long time. You see it?
Okay.
But you look good though.
Thank you.
But Steve Madden is not making a
Cut. All right.
type shit. But you look good though, baby, for sure.
Oh yeah, say.
Okay.
Oh yeah, say it now. Wear now.
Kind of wear all a little bit, dog.
Oh, so it's not in fashion. That's what you're saying.
That's what. If you know that, you know that.
Me no know.
So me no know. All right. Next.
All right. Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
A 6.
Bomba clock at 6.
Where's your Gucci shoes or your Balenci shoes?
Gucci.
Where's your name brand? What are those glasses? Are they-
Shoes, Louis, you're lost. You're
those are
lost.
nice.
You're
Those are
big-
nice though.
You're a big loss.
Those
That's
are
crazy.
nice. Those
You're
are the
big.
only nice things you're wearing. I love that.
Do you know what is on my shoes?
I love that.
You know what's on my feet?
I love that.
Do you know what's on my feet though?
I love that for you.
Do you know what's on my feet?
You look really nice.
All right, cool. I'm not gonna. All right, I'm gonna keep it cordial. You see it?
All right.
Look good though.
Thank you.
All right. Cool,
Thank you.
Cool.
All right. To this side. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
That smile, you know. I don't have a real job.
I love the honesty. I love the honesty. I love the honesty.
When I broke still, we just don't have a real job.
Okay.
What kind of job you do?
Sometimes
Him not for tell me what him do. I know what him do.
What am I do?
You chop, no? You
Where you
chop.
come from?
Yeah, I come from Kingston, Barbican. Where you come from?
She can't tell you what I do still, I don't know. Can't tell you though.
She right?
Probably.
Him not for tell me in business, I just
Probably.
assume, right?
I have a like cat downtown, I don't know. I just have to work with she.
Mm-hmm. What she say? All right. So based on her appearance, what you think about her?
Like, yeah, 8.5 still. Like, little body there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Based on his appearance, what you think about him?
Not bad. I don't like how you stand up, but 7.
Oh, him stand up?
Yeah, him stand up kind of like, want him stand up strong and firm. Yeah, strong and firm.
So alone, I can stand up still.
That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you go.
Yeah. All right. Come down to this side. Right here. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Jenna popped the balloon because she said about baby mom. I have one baby mom, so since you feel like that already, so I already know it's gonna be already. So, but you look good, nice, dress up nice, clean, hair nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Come on, that is it.
Yeah. All right. So based on her appearance, though, how much did I rate her?
Give her a 9.
9.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
What do you think about him based on his appearance?
Nice. I like your hair. Your hair is nice.
Thank you.
Just simple, but I like it. It's okay. 8. I'll give him an 8. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Nice.
All right. Let's go down the line. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Silk, then _ link me. You don't know already. All platforms.
Sorry about that, Silk. My G. All right. Why you pop the balloon?
You know, say she talk about him baby mother and me have baby mother and youth them already. You understand? So I just say go, you know?
As you should, yeah. For sure.
I'm proud of me with them do the same way. You understand?
Yeah, Afi.
Yeah. Yes, it.
All right. So based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
What you mean, man? She a Shelly place right now. She look like she ready for go. She look like she ready for go cartel. Sitting with my keep. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Freedom Street.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah.
What you mean, man? She a Shelly place in her lane, you know? So I just saw you go.
All right.
Thank you.
Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
He's nice and calm. I like him. I'll give him my 8.5. Not bad. Yeah, not bad.
That is it. Yeah, man.
You're
We
calm.
work with that, man.
You're
We
calm.
work with that,
I
man.
like the calmness.
Aye.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go down the line. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, man, Professor Jevy. Reason why I popped the balloon now, I just feel like the understanding level is not there, so it's kind of not on the same page. For example, now, they say you don't deal with the baby mother thing, and I understand that, but you never really kind of inquire or understand how it is on the other side, for the guys. So just have to next that.
Oh, so basically, what she said about the baby mother drama thing. You don't know if there's she don't know if there's a drama or a bad vibe.
Or not, you understand? So
You never know until you're too deep, and I don't want to deal with that. So I'd rather just take myself out of the drama from the get-go.
understand. Yeah, man, I understand.
You know what you want? I know what I want.
Definitely.
Makes sense, right?
But she looked good, I love the way you coordinate your colors and thing, So it's definitely a 7 for me,
7 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
All right, what do you think about him based on him appearance?
I think he could have took that off for the...
You want to wear it?
I don't need it, darling.
Oh, man, she cool.
But I don't really think the fit's not fitting for me, but
Totally.
I like
get you,
your
man. Yeah, man, enough love, man. Give thanks,
lovely.
Should I rate him?
7.
All right, appreciate
Yeah?
it. Yeah, man, that is it.
Because your eyes are nice. I think that's why I give you the 7.
I appreciate it.
All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I can't hear that bad woman with caution psycho was God and me I say yo. The reason why I pop the balloon, You have a baby mother, you see me? Everybody have a baby mother. Who don't? You see me?
Yeah, true a word,
Oh, no, I'm looking for him right now.
Yeah, true a word.
Yeah.
Me not a baby mother yet.
Eh?
There's still hope. All
Get
right.
in there. Fixing the blanks, you know.
Alright. I saw you go, you see me? But anyway, low and big breeze in a them town. We are crook. Me not on a job, you see me? Thief. Fully crook, so.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You do
just
what you
saw it
gotta
go.
do, right?
Hmm?
You do what you have to do.
Yeah. And you look nice and thing you come out. Natural, no makeup. I like that.
Yeah.
The first thing. I not really, you know, but I like the natural thing, you see me?
Thank you.
Yeah, but big up yourself, you're nice.
How much did I rate her?
More than give her good ratings, but you know the color kinda throw me
I was
off.
ending
Color,
up summer.
color?
What
Yeah.
the fuck is wrong with that?
So I give her 6.5. Yeah.
Because of the colors?
Yeah, I don't really like the dresses. I just me that, you know, personally, you see me?
You like black?
Mm-mm.
You know, like too much color?
Too much I go on there, you see me? Yeah. Festive.
Festive.
Yeah.
Too festive.
Mm.
Cause festive good for me, but too festive for him.
Yeah.
Alright, so
And that's that.
based on film appearance, how much did I rate him?
Shoes are clean. I like that.
True.
You can ask if they take off your hat.
On camera, also, I don't do that.
No,
Me have a me hat for a reason.
Oh.
You want to see it though?
Yeah. If you're not mind,
Really,
I mean.
me can't take off my hat on the show.
A year decision.
Yeah, man, see me head there.
Okay,
you know,
alright,
you know,
alright,
to do, you know, but it
Yeah,
alright.
that's okay. I just wanted to see.
No, it have to be okay. From me, okay with it. Me not care if you okay with it. You know, but me good.
Alright. You rate him? How much did I rate him?
5.5.
Thank you very much.
You're very
I
welcome.
appreciate it. No problem.
Okay.
5.5.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good?
Yes.
Come down to this side. Alright. Alright, so we got a pop just now. You? Alright, come to this side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
You don't know I'm patient already, is it? The reason why I pop the balloon still is because, like, you know, me I look and my sister, like, she kind of have a little lazy walk, you see me? And me as an artist, me reaching a situation where me I walk with all my woman and we are going on stage show and I walk with all my woman and to we I walk fast, me end up all, she almost last. So me like a girl we can move when we are going stage show, you see me?
So yeah, I say, she will last.
Yeah, like me and her roll, I got stage show, me I say, Mom's coming and me have her answer, she will last in her crowd because she not give me that look, you know? But she good otherwise from that same way, man.
Yeah,
I have a problem with it. I don't know if I chew yourself too, but it just, you know, I just that.
You want to walk or left the
No, I don't
interviewer?
say it, though. It just kind of, I don't know. It's just when me I see, you see it. So I just that. Otherwise from that, she good, you know. She put herself together and them thing there. She have a nice smile too. And she kind of look saucy too, you see me?
Yeah.
But I have a problem with that, you see me? Because I like a girl where, you know, say, you can't, you know, I like the softy thing, but I just say, the work for me, you know?
Okay.
We worry about what career,
Yeah,
you know, as an
yeah.
artist, you know. If a woman want forward, she have to can keep up with it.
She have to
Much of
keep
them.
up.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so how much did I rate her?
Mother give her 8.5 still.
What you like about her?
As we tell her, she carry herself good and she have a little shape and, you know, she have go on that little thing and she have a nice smile too. You see, as I tell her. So I just...
That. Alright, based on him appearance, what do you think about him?
I feel like if you make so much big talk, you have to make your hand them match your face when you have bleach. But that's okay. Me give him a 6.
She said what she has said, everybody have
Steady
them.
6. That's
everybody
it.
have them purpose
shoes
and
clean.
them reason, you know?
Clean Air Forces. That's it.
Him and?
Yeah. Just put
I know what she
it
had
back
to
here.
say, so,
And his face, you know, the bleaching. You gotta make
what
it.
she has said.
You gotta make it blend.
Say it,
If you can follow cartel, you know, just
overall, me not even
follow
bleach.
him good.
Furthermore, me not even bleach. We just been in the AC for a while, is it? So,
And you use the cake soap, right?
no, I never use the cake soap.
Okay.
I never beat the cake soap.
All right.
Just lucky in and I put in the work, is it?
Yeah. So like an old scholar.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah, good. All right, so every male without a balloon right now, walk with grace for me now.
Like, the fuck is that?
All right, so we're down to one, right?
Okay.
All right, so what we're gonna do right now, we're not gonna ask each other a question. Get to know each other. Anything you wanna know, you can ask right now. Who wanna go first?
I'll go first.
Ladies first.
Okay.
A day off from not doing work or whatever. What do you do?
Go to the gym. That's it.
Okay. That's fair. That's actually, yeah, that's fair. That would be my answer too. Yeah.
All right, so what's our get to know her?
All right. What's your most toxic trait?
I'm miserable.
Blood clot. Me don't want nobody frustrate my brains, you know. So,
That's good. If you can't handle it, you can't handle it.
it's pure stress and misery.
Oh, so yes. Oh, yeah, so she's miserable?
Yeah, she say it already, bro.
I know, but you have different levels to...
I have a stress-free life right now, so yeah, man, me good. But otherwise, she look good. You know, she still dressed like a summertime, so you know, she look good, man.
She still dressed like summertime?
Yeah, so summer done already, but she still dress festive.
Like the sun out.
Yeah.
Oh, just because the sun's still
The
out.
sun did out, but
It's October, so you know.
Oh.
A Halloween time I come.
Okay. All right. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
You give her 1.9.
9.
Yeah, man.
What do you think about him?
I like his height. He's tall. I'd say 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah, steady. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, man, I'm good with that.
Steady,
All right.
steady. Yeah.
All right, so wasn't that much to them, G? Walk with grace for me now. Whoa. I wanna know, what do you think?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah. Everything works out for a reason, you know? Gotta be grateful.
All right, then.
good.
Appreciate it. Yo, today you never get a match? Walk with grace for me now.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, more some energy. Want me get some vibes now? Yeah, Canada, Toronto. Yo, big up on yourself. The 6, everything. 6, 9. I don't know. You see? I love the vibes. I love the energy. I feel at home. I can't bother with the snow, so I can't live here. Because Jamaica is very sunny. I love that. I can put my toe in a sun. Sun over here? Yo, people, only have the taste bad water. Only live over here with some taste. Nah, why? I don't know. Water, I'm not getting no good water yet. Comment below some good water so I can drink it. Because I'm thirsty right now, okay? Ready for the next female? Yeah? All right, let's do this. Bring her in. Bring her in. Wait until she recharges, sir. Oh, she not even open her mouth. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Latoya.
Latoya. All right, Latoya. What type of work do you do?
I'm a financial advisor.
Oh, that's good. That's good. All right, so what's your type, Latoya?
I like a man who is ambitious.
Yeah.
A hardworking man.
Yep.
And
That's it? And let us know your deal breaker. Like one of your deal breakers when it comes to a male.
I like a man. I don't like a man who's lazy.
Yeah.
I don't like a man who doesn't know what he wants.
Okay.
And I don't like a man who likes to hang out with a lot of men.
Okay. Solid. All right, so we got some pops. Where do you wanna start?
It doesn't matter wherever you want to start.
Doesn't matter. All right, let's go down there and come up. It's good? Alright, so just stand right here. Right here. Yeah. Yeah. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I can, you hear that bad. The reason why I pop the balloon, you know, you're too old for me, you see me? Me young, you know? And, you know, it's just not my type, you see me? But, you know, you do your thing, you come out, you know, big up yourself.
Of course.
Yeah, man, you don't know. So,
Also, age is a factor for you.
yeah. Depends, you see me? Depends, you see, yeah, depends.
Alright, so based on her appearance, okay, so she come out.
She come out, but she ever go back in, you know? Yeah, but, I give her 5, you see me?
5 out of 10.
Yeah, yeah, man. That's my opinion.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Alright, based on his appearance.
I would give him a 2. He's short. He's not my type. He's short and skinny.
Oh, 2 because of his height.
He's short and he's not my type. Yeah.
Yeah. One to your finger, them, so.
None of your business. You don't care. You pop your balloon.
This is exactly when I pop the balloon.
You're welcome.
Yeah, yeah. Why you on this show?
Why are you on the show?
Because me want to on it.
Okay then.
You should have a husband and married already and they are home.
Well then.
I read bedtime story to your
you pop your balloon, so move on. You get a 2.
Next. No, me happy with me 2, you know.
Next.
Me happy with me 2.
Next.
Alright, come to this side. Oh, shoot. Alright. You want me hold the mic? You're good? Alright. Come forward. Yeah. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, man, Professor Jevy, you know. The reason why me pop the balloon, I just feel like you're too tall, you know. That's the first thing we did come across. Secondly, she cool, you know, but you see me, I just feel like, I don't know, like we would have clashed certain levels, you know. Yeah, and that's
I understand.
Yeah, she might say blue, might say red, you know. Just clash certain levels. You know?
But that's normal, Maji.
Yeah, but, you know, I just feel like too much, it would have too much, you know. Yeah, but otherwise, she's a very beautiful woman, you see me? And that is that.
Alright, so based on her appearance, what do you think about it?
Definitely a 7, you see me?
Thank you.
What do you like about her?
Well, is it? She have a nice smile, same way. She put herself together really well. See her on point with the matching and everything, isn't it? So, yeah, man, that is it.
Alright, so based on his appearance, what do you think about him?
He's cool. Oh, sorry, he's cool. I would have gave him 6.
Okay.
6, good?
Yeah, man, that cool, man.
I like his eyes.
Thank you.
It's different.
Yeah, man.
Alright, come to this side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
SILK Silk Towing _ link me on all platforms. And why me pop a balloon? Rolly, you know say, remember like me say a little while, me at 36, me not look nobody grandmother, you understand? No disrespect, but I just saw you go, you understand? Me I make you know, you're a big woman for me, you understand? Like this a dog say, you know, you should have done circle in and buckle down long time, you see me? But just make you know. You see it? You see it? So, you know, in a business what you want to say, but just I tell you how it is. That is it. You see me? And yeah, man. So that's why I just bust the balloon.
Alright, so based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
Okay, so in our league now, yeah, man, she can go on in our league. But for me, you don't make it for me. You see me? So me that figure like me can't give a number, matter of fact, in a female league. But in a field league, in a field age group, yeah, man, you go on with the thing, man. You're good. You see me? That is it.
So you can't rate her base because you say she not.
She not in a league, man. Yo, me at 36, me want 25, then you see me I deal with 30 maximum.
Oh, young thing.
Yeah, man. You reach a 30, you have to upgrade, brother. What you mean? Yeah, man. No, sir. No, man. Me not depend on that.
Alright. What do you think about his appearance?
Well, for a 36-year-old man, you shouldn't have braces. You know, that should have been in your 20s.
When I time me never have money, so now me have money. So
and, you know, you have small feet, so you know what that means.
Aye.
So I get, you know, you need a little kid for your league.
No, so no.
I would give you a 0.
That's okay. Yeah, man.
Next.
Sure, man.
Well, if whatever you want to say.
All right. To this side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Jenna Boss, you don't know what I think of. Big up militancy every time. The reason why I pop the balloon is like, I feel like she's older. She's like, not my age group, you know? She's like, look older than me, and like, I want someone that's my age or a little bit younger, you know? But you look good, same way.
Thank
you. Know?
you.
Dress nice, but just not my. I don't have the vibe, you know? That is it.
All right. So based on her appearance, though, how much should I rate her?
Verse 7.
Thank you.
All right. So what do you think about him?
I like how he appears. He dresses nice. I like his chains. Yeah, everything look nice. I would give him an 8.
8?
Yeah, man, that's nice.
Good. All right. Coming to this side. All right. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Trey. And the reason why I pop my balloon, she remind me of somebody me not like. Wendy Williams.
Why you have to say that?
You resemble her good, you know. Good for true. Yeah, man. But she look good. Wendy Williams look good in her face too, so
I saw it go.
yeah.
All right. So how much should I rate her?
Give her 1.6.
Okay, I'll get that.
6. All right. What do you think about his appearance?
Well, I like he's my type. Tall, chocolate. Although, the style is not really my type, but, overall I'll give you a 9.
9.
Sweet me, you see? All right.
All right. Let's go. This side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Smiley. Pop the balloon car. She look old.
All right. All right.
He's a very young youth, you see it. Can't do it. Just sleep on that right now.
All right, Maji. Based on her appearance, though, how much should I rate her?
I give her 1.
Eh?
1.
No, I said based on her appearance.
You said 1.
1. O-N-E. 1.
All right, cool. Based on his appearance, what do you think about
Well, I don't like bleach, man. You should be proud of your skin complexion. Be proud of who you are. A black woman, a black person. So I give you a -0.
1 to her face.
Bleach free.
All right. Your name?
Nash.
Why you pop the balloon?
You're just not my speed.
Understandable.
I am not, nothing more, nothing less. Is it?
All right. So based on her appearance, though, what do you think about it? How much should I rate it from 1 to 10?
I don't rate it. 0. 0. 0. 0, yeah.
You rate, all right, so appearance get as
100% 0. Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Based on Nash appearance, what do you think about him? Would he have gotten
He
your
looks
number?
a little. No, he wouldn't have. I don't like tattoos, and
You're capping, bro.
I don't like tattoos.
You're capping. If I give you a 10,
Why would I
you would
cap?
because if I give you a 10, you would be like, oh,
I
yeah,
wouldn't have. You're
brr.
short. You're
I'm
light.
short,
You're short.
I'm
You're
seeing-
light. I could
what do
body
mean?
you.
So you cannot what?
Body you all day, every day.
That's light, man. That's light. I'm not even gonna-
-5.
She just I'm not gonna entertain it. You see it? Let her
We
believe
could
what she
move
wants.
on. No, we don't want to entertain you either.
Delulu. Definition, Delulu. Yeah.
All right. Respect.
No, bro. May I tell her for calm down?
Yeah, calm down.
May I tell her for...
Like you're holding your nutsack like you have some STD.
That was okay. First of all.
Yeah, let it go. Let it breathe.
Okay. Your name?
STD, shut up. You look like you're sick.
For me, like, I don't see nothing wrong with her still.
Thank you.
You see me?
Like they're fucking.
She come out on fleek.
Your shoes look like they need a little clean up.
Look like
Your face looks like it needs a little clean up. Stop your nice little boy. Go walk with Grace.
You're dirty.
How about you walk with Grace?
You're dirty.
Anyways.
You're just trying to look.
Okay, all right, listen.
trying to
Just
beg.
go.
You
You got what you wanted, TV fame, right? Like, go. Like, what do you want me to body you?
nigga. No, I'm the
Yo,
really?
Whoa. Why you da fling my mic? Why you da fling my mic? I don't know it's licking. So the mic good? Yo, calm him down, please. Which pass? Jeez. The mic here work? Yeah, hear the mic? Oh man, you fling the mic. Toronto no owe me a mic. Yeah, you're not hear this, dog. You're not. Alright, so watching the people, we have to end the video right now. Me not even me not remember no dog. That me I tell you. Me brain, dog. Oh, love. That me, yeah. Him good? He catch him, me I ask if the Yo, fuck. Test, one. Test. Dre. Big up, my G. They say, Narcos, October the 18th.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we catch you. No, you have to make me laugh, cause in a state like this. Yo, Toronto owe me a mic.
Toronto, your mic?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I forget a mic, man.
I forget a mic and enough money for you.
See, after Narcos, October 18, a national event venue, I have a mic for you. TJ, I come perform, you know.
Yeah.
Jamal, you know.
Vanessa Bling too. I promote. Yo, alright. Big up on yourself. T that. You don't know. Love. Get there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you.
Got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it.
GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye.
Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Road to 200K. Get me a say, like, comment, subscribe.
Hit Sabanga!